So let's look at task one today. So task one asks, what is 32% of 25? So a couple of questions to think about here is first, what is 32% representing? So we know we have 32, and if you remember, the word percent means out of 100. The ratio for a percent is always going to be over 100. So 32% is 32 out of 100. Of 25, so we need to decide, is 25 going to be a total and match up with 100, or is it going to be a piece and match up with 32? So 32% of 25. So when we have this word of, that's telling us what we have. That's our total here. Of the whole thing is 25. So they have 25. We need to know, what is this number? What is 32% of 25? So you can kind of see it went around in a square as I read this problem. What is 32% of 25? So let's look. I can see, to get from 25 to 100, thinking quarters, we can multiply by 4. So we need to do the same thing on the top here. So what times 4 is 32? Or we can go backwards and we can divide by 4. So we can do 32 divided by 4 will equal what? And that will tell us this problem here. So the biggest thing is just thinking, how are we setting these up? So we've got to think about, is it asking for the piece, what, or is it asking for the total, and making sure we're getting those set up correctly. So I'll let you finish this math here and then go ahead and complete task one. And when you are done with task one, come back and let's try task two.